In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use bulk send in DocuSign Signature to send an envelope, providing you with a 2025 guide on how to make the most of this feature. DocuSign's bulk send tool is a powerful way to streamline sending documents to numerous recipients without repetitive individual actions. This video aims to guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that you can efficiently utilize this feature for your professional needs. To start, open your web browser and go to the DocuSign website. Sign in using your credentials to access the main dashboard. Once logged in, direct your attention to the navigation menu and locate the Agreements tab. Clicking on this will guide you to a section where you can manage all your document agreements easily. Now, within the Agreements page, look for an icon or button displaying 3 dots, often referred to as the More Options button. This button is vital as it provides additional functionalities that aren't immediately visible in the main interface. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu presenting you with several options. From this menu, you'll want to select the Forward option. Forwarding is key to preparing your documents for sending, allowing you to manage and adjust them before they reach the recipients. Once you've clicked Forward, the next step is to set up your recipients who will receive the document. Moving on, you'll need to add your recipients. Find and click the Add Recipient button. This action allows you to input the details of the first person you'd like to send the document to. Once you've filled in the necessary details for the first recipient, you'll notice an option to add another. Click Add Recipient again to include additional individuals. This feature supports bulk functionality, allowing as many recipients as needed. After carefully inputting all recipient details, proceed by selecting the Next button. This stage lets you review and make final adjustments before your documents are sent out. It's crucial to double-check all information to prevent errors and ensure each recipient receives the necessary documents. By following these straightforward steps, you are well on your way to mastering the bulk send feature in DocuSign, significantly improving your workflow efficiency. Bulk send can save you hours of manual work, making document sharing a breeze. Watch the process closely on the video as I demonstrate with an actual example to solidify your understanding. I encourage you to try this process on your own and explore other features DocuSign offers for optimizing document management and electronic signing. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been useful. Don't forget to support our channel by liking, subscribing, and leaving any questions or comments down below. We're here to help you navigate the world of electronic documentation with ease.